Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2014 Honda Pilot. That will be the location of your oil cap, which will be right here. Right. Now we're downstairs on the 2014 Honda Pilot. This is going to be a size 17 drain plug, and it's going to be going with the 4612 oil filter. So then we're going to get that done. Let me just go ahead and crack the drain plug. Sometimes you aren't able to use a conventional 17 because it might not be enough wiggle room on it. It might not be strong enough. So then I recommend going over to like a 17 socket with like a bar. For a little extra leverage. Alright. See, as we got it cracked open there. Gonna bring down your drain pan. Just gonna come out just like that. Done draining. Just go ahead. Put the drain right back. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky. Feel it in that groove. Good to go. Clear the add on bay number 3. Right. Make sure it's all nice and tight. Once you go and open up your filter with the claw, you just turn it that way. Go ahead and use your hand to just screw it off.